In addition to the war crimes committed by political military leadership of Armenia during the active phase of Nagorno-Karabakh conflict, there are some other instances of illicit activity which amount to serious violation of international law. Armenians living in Kalbajar and other regions of Azerbaijan burning their houses, they're damaging environment, they are effectively damaging the biodiversity, and all of these things are matter of concern. If you compare the part of Acclaimed which had been under Armenian control over the last 30 years and the part which was under Azerbaijani control, we would see the clear signs of desertification in the Armenian control side. This is a very important case, and the first task of Azerbaijani government in this regard is to establish the extent of the damage. So damage must be valued, and as the Azerbaijani president made it abundantly clear that international experts will be invited. There will be a meticulous, very arduous process in the course of which, and as a result of which, this damage will be decided upon. And then another question, which particular type of rehabilitation reparation we are after, because there are 5 different types of categories of reparations, which include, amongst many other things, restitution, compensation. For example, let's say in Kalbajar, they use the gold reserves of Kalbajar, that those resources belong to the Republic of Azerbaijan. So it's unlawful use, and also there's a case of lost profit. So what mechanisms Azerbaijan could use? And one of the ways is naturally encourage IDPs, internally displaced people, to seek compensation in the European Court of Human Rights. And there was a Tragov case, as you know. By signing ceasefire, Armenians agreed to accept the jurisdiction of the court in relation to this case, and certain development, of course, will follow. So one line of activity, one line of action is encouraging individuals to seek compensation, and second, of course, will be through the state responsibility. For example, in the case of, let's say, Armenians targeting civilians in Bardo or Ganja, it's the individual responsibility of the one person, prime minister or defense minister within the political military leadership of Armenia. But in terms of compensation, it's going to be a state responsibility.